Gotta, you know what I'm saying, set some straight about graphing, writing, you know what I'm saying, hitting, bombing. I opened the door to the store with pain galore. I've been here before, but racking's my chore. It's one of my many duties. It's me and my peeps, hoping no one will swoop me. Cause rule number one, you don't snitch. In this graph game, homie, no one goes out like a trick. And we are some rebels, we born with this clique. They thick, they sick, they some blue dress devils. They got flamers, they deep like some bangers. It be lights, camera, action like some freaking entertainers. Beat down commencing. But yo, that ain't happening, cause we good at fencing. Rule number two, you don't know me, homie. You feel me? If you get busted, you gotta know the dilly. Forget the names of who you came with. Graph writers got titles that be on some fame, kid. They got a name, black books they don't use for sketching. They use it for catching, interrogation. They use tactics as a weapon. Threats, they'll take you to jail. And you should get beat down if you the type to tell. I rock my gear lost so I could cuff and stuff. I slip cans in my drawers and let them rest on my nuts. It's this kid's first time, but he wasn't fast enough. Security dined him, nabbed him, grabbed him. I was looking at my knife cam, damn near had him. I heard 3 whistles, which meant bounce real quick. Wreck my knife can, threw up my tag, then I split. Aw, snap. The new kid got hit, but yo, we got a city to bomb. Plus I'm the only one racking, I'm the only one packing. So we bumming in this train, yo, guess what happened? The cops smashed up, cause this young kid told we was doing fill-ins. I dropped a black, then I rolled. Hopped over 2 fences, ran through an alley, heard this dog barking. He appeared out of nowhere, cause the scene was dark then. The dog damn near bit me, but I wasn't stopping. One thing on my mind, what the hell is this young kid talking? Picked up the pace, I'm sweating, jetting, thinking that the burner wasn't finished, cause the paint was still wet when I jumped on this truck. Yo! The dog didn't make it, it was straight out of luck. And yo, I had no time to look back, I went for self. I'm sprinting, throwing up these stick attacks. Hi, my name is Never Getting Snagged. I ran by this wall that we did for a mag. If the cops ever catch me in their car, I throw up a tag. So I meet up with my crew and we all thinking the same. Hope you don't know where I live, hope you don't know my full name. Hold up, we slipping. How'd he get affiliated? That's when my man elaborated. Remember when we participated in doing that wall? Dude was hella cool with that cat we had to call. Plus he was the young kid who always hit up the mall. He hit up the schools and he hit up the bus. He was that youngster, he always wanted to come bombing with us. Yup, plus his styles were getting better. Remember he started freaking and weird looking letters? He used to be the little kid eager to learn. He had them dope concerts with the no flavor burn. I think his name was Ernest, but they called him Money Earn. But Money Earn ain't earning props, talking to cops. Hope I see him on the block so I can bust him in his chops. That way, dude will know not to talk. So pay close attention, cause this happens a lot. Dude went out bombing with this crew that was new. He went over this other cat's piece. The crew was like, ooh. He said don't trip, cause no one will know. But little did he know, the piece he went over was an old school pro.